Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and video is for ICS 10 students. First question, state the conventional sign located at the point the 6-figure grid reference of which is 409017. So here what type of features we can see? So the grid should be 4090, that means 4001. In this grid what type of features is there? T9 should be here and 016 like this, so they meet in this position. So here what type of features we can see? Here you can see island symbols are there. It should be with embankment. Embankment means that we can say the dams like structure. Okay. Next question. What is the contour height in grid square 3096? In this grid, what is the contour heights? So you can see here 400 they have written, meter they are showing by contours, but here you can see 522. So the highest contour value is 522, and there have is but there a kind of option with 500. So the answer should be 400 here, and here already they have written 400. Next question. State the type of slope as seen in 4097. So in 4097 what type of slope you can see? In this area what type of slope is there? And the options are steep slope, gentle slope, flatland and rough slope. And here you can see this type of contours. Okay, so you can see here there have the contours like this. Okay, and if we made a profile by this, then we can get this type of hill. So we can say according to the options gentle slope. Why? Because steep slope is not, we can see in this area for steep slope there should be the contours more clumsy, and for flatland it not be there, and rough slope it is also not have because the contours are more or less parallels. Okay, so the gentle slope is the correct answer of this question. Next question, give 4-figure grid reference of the causeway. So here you can see causeway, and what is the 4-figure grid reference system of this? It is 3894. This is the grid. So the correct answer is 3894. Next question, state the type of settlement in village Ranavada. So here you can see the name Ranavada. What type of village or what type of settlement you can see in this village? And here easily you can see that the squares are situated in scattered way. So if the settlements they are situated scatteredly, then we can say it is one type of dispersed settlement. So the correct answer is dispersed settlement. Next question, what is the general use of land near village Telenagar? That means in 3401 there have Telenagar, and so the correct answer is farming, because yellow patches are there and yellow patches shows us the agricultural activity. So in this area Telenagar we can see the farming activity. Next question, what does the figure 592 in grid square 3700 here, what is mentioning by 592? And here you can easily see one triangle is there, and you have know that this triangle shows us the triangulated height. So it should be 592 meter height. So the correct option is triangulated height. Next question, state the area in kilometer as shown between easting 38 to 40 and 94 to 95. So that means what will be the area 38 to 40, okay, and 94 to 95, what will be the area? So that means you have to identify the area of these two grids, and you know that these grids are actually divided into 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, okay. That means, and here the RF is 1:50,000, okay. That means with 1 centimeter they shows us half kilometer, or with 2 centimeter they showing the 1 kilometer on actual ground, 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. That means each grid are showing us 1 square kilometer, 1 square kilometer. So 2 grid is there, that means 1 into 2, that means the answer should be 2 square kilometer. So the answer is 2 square kilometer. Next question, what is the direction of spot height 522 from fairly mixed jungle? So from fairly mixed jungle to up to that point 522, what is the direction? Okay, so what will be the direction? You can see the direction is like this. So we can say the direction is in northeast. So the correct option is A, northeast. Next question and the last question, what is indicated by 3R in grid square 4098? 4098 in this grid, what is mentioning by 3R? So very easy question. It is actually showing us the height of embankment, that is 3 meter. Okay, C is the correct answer, height of embankment. Okay, so the video is up to this.